Inside Story Uganda, real source of political updates. Inside Story Uganda.
Chemboza
era nga president yayogeddeko ba ministers ab'enjawulo ICT yafunira ba ministers bali basatu naye nga nekyera cabinet yalondeddwa 40% bakyala balidde empanga era nga president yesenya abakyala okuba yabadde ebifo mu cabinet ene kubanga etukulembera wamu n'omukyala Jessica Alupo vice president kati n'omukyala Robina Nabanja ye prime minister gwanga Uganda bavetingidwe ne nga bakizo parliament era mu kaseera kano mukulu Tamale banja abasuuliddwa era nga banja abakomyewo naye tukube toki mu
bebaganye bapya are these new people
bebaganye
abatalina mpapula
gwebaganye ng'omukyala gwe nategeddeko ye Mire Babalanda obadde njawukana mu mannya ge kuliko Mariam Doka.
I told you those who follow my programs, I told you that Mukula was assigned to undermine Babalanda. On Saturday, I mentioned it. If you don't...
Ebwandiko byazze president yabuliza Muzeyita Mali mwabenemeteta mulimu Mariam Doka Babalanda ye ekiwandiko byalise by'essomero kuliko babiri
anti kankubuulire
Babalanda
manyi yasooka okufumbirwa kakati alina gye yasooka okufumbirwa n'afumbirwa Doka. And the ruling was made by Mr. Justice Kapuma. If the documents are not mine, bring the owner. I will never put the young platform young Tamale Birundi official. Gabalagira Mukula to undermine that woman. Till minister to Jagalan, the mafia.
Talk about even the academic papers.
And she
these are some disabilities.
Let me tell you. Segering Yatari. Why do they concentrate on Kambabuli?
This one is a minister.
You see, that's why me I don't respect your institutions. Kakoza was rejected because Kakoza did not have academic papers, but Kakoza had served as a minister.
Okay.
Two, Kakoza remained in parliament, and to be in parliament, the qualifications of being a minister and those of being an MP are the same. You have the same qualifications.
Yeah.
If Kakoza did not have qualifications to become a minister, how did he remain in parliament?
The qualification is another Zimu.
Yes, Garcia. This is marriage. You go to a woman called Gonde, Mombeja Webesoka Bamitane, Omukazoyo.
Passes.
Bamukuba mu parliament, president yamuwa minister. Nebamuga is mad. He's insane. When that woman was rejected as a minister, remained in the parliament, when does the insanity come? When you are a minister or wherever? If the woman was insane, then how can you contain an insane minister, an insane MP? Malice. Niwabawo omukazi omuyita Ntabazi. Ntabazi president yayawula obwakabaka bwe bukonzo nabujja nakolera obwebwamba. Ntabazi is a princess mu bwakabaka bwawa bwebwamba. Yayina ne brother we Professor ine Makerere ne babakuba naye ne bamukuba tiyayina makisi for Ogundi. The case was not investigated. This woman and other people who come running to me, I investigated. I trapped the IGG's office. Ngaba IGG bamusaba million yaka. When did the IGG become UNEB?
Nzaitamali.
So that's rubbish.
Njawulo tukubira tochi mu cabinet yalondeddwa empya. Obunafuna obusobozi bwayo. Bwabwe buli.
Kankubuulire. Soka kankusooke nkusomere. Ndyoke nkubuulire. Katabo nakawandiika dde. Nze buli mumbuuze byo mba ne biwandiikako dde. Kana katabo kadde.
1st April 2012.
Biri emeka?
2012.
Nakateekako kavaki.
Who to blame? Ani owokunenya? Ani anenyezebwa?
Is it a madman or a market master?
Yeah.
Kakati nabawandikira ne mbagamba In Rwanda, the Hutu moderates rose against Habyarimana's Akazo, composed of people mainly from northern Rwanda, headed by his wife Agatha. In Libya, Muammar Gaddafi lost his rallying point that he had made the ordinary Libyans cling to him. Once Gaddafi allowed in European companies in exchange for lifting sanctions, he lost his political power base. The Libyans, who had solidly stood with him when sanctions were slammed on Libya, abandoned him en masse. He had convincingly blamed the harsh conditions on Europeans simply because he resisted their interest of planning Libyan resources. However, once he gave out resources to the very people who had slammed the sanctions on Libya, he lost his rallying factor. Libyans could no longer sacrifice because there was nothing to sacrifice for. Libya's foes had transformed into Gaddafi's friends overnight. In Uganda, people attribute the success under NRM 26 years solely on Museveni. The messages as seen as rejects. These are people who served in the key positions of government and their weaknesses are well known. Kakati nenkugamba nti batandika kye bayita kye nababuulira nembaga nti ekintu kye mutandise mu byobufuzi tukiyita gundi the dairy farm mentality. Nebaga tukiyita dairy farm mentality and it will cost you, the Westerners. In absence of anti-Museveni sentiments, where a president loses power to former allies, there must exist personal sentiments. The people who matter must be convinced that the problems experienced by the people are a result of personal mistakes by the president. This leads to an exodus of leaders from ruling party to other rival parties. For example, kasa kibanga ensobi eri ku mukulembeze bamuddukako. But because the problem is not with Museveni, even those who are humiliated, basigala mu government because they have no alternative. The Libyans abandoned Gaddafi. The moderate Hutus abandoned Habyarimana. Museveni has not been abandoned. Kakati nenkugamba nti abantu bano bonna the messages and a lot of nkugamba the messages are seen as NRM rejects. These are people who served in key positions of government and their weaknesses are well known. Agustino Luzindana was Inspector General of Government, IGG, and a lot of corruption scandals occurred while his eyes were wide open. Miriam Matembe, involvement in the Electoral Commission and Aziz Kasuja were documented. Dr. Besigye served as the Minister of State for Internal Affairs, National Political Commissar, and the Commander Masakambe Kanza's regiment. What contribution did he make to the improvement of soldiers' welfare? What strategies did he put in place for NRM for cadre identification? How many schools did he visit as a guest of honor at the fundraising ceremonies? On the other hand, Basaija Kazola was at this Kampala with immense powers and influence. He also served as the SO chief and he has a stint in the Ruzira prison. Government confiscated his properties, including a role. What had gone wrong? Was he fighting for action? Therefore, all of those people I've mentioned above and others are not genuine agents of change and reform. Change is brought by reformers, not tribalists and political opportunists. Kakati nakugamba mukatabo muno nti abanyankole bavayo ne balwanyisa Museveni nga bo balowooza nti they are turning the government into Banyankole Cooperative Union. The moment you turn a government into a Banyankole Cooperative Union or Bugisu Cooperative Union or Masaka Cooperative Union, other people come up and fight you. And the leader cannot accept it because once Museveni accepts to be the chairperson of Banyankole Cooperative Union, the Banyankole shareholders will come up and remove him. He must borrow power somewhere else.
Yensonga lwaki president yavudde nabanga yatuse n'okuba nti akuleetingawo ekifo ateeke Kasese nayo mu cabinet.
Ka myaka emeka
ka 2012.
Yes, I told you. Until you see, once the Matembes Why should Western attack Museveni? That was their biggest mistake. The first people to attack Museveni were Banyankole.
Okay.
Hey, do you want to turn the government into a Banyankole Cooperative Union? So other tribes have come in. This explains why you are talking about, you are seeing something changing. It's not something changing. Museveni cannot accept it to be the chairman of Banyankole Cooperative Union. Because the moment he turns himself into a chairperson of Banyankole Cooperative Union, Banyankole shareholders, this one, the Matembes, would have removed him. The president can come from an ethnic group or an area, but it does not mean that you change. Bumuja ko Museveni ngamutuleta Besigye ngamujja ko ngamuleta Mugisha Muntu ngamujja ko. That's why you are failed. That's why the Westerners go challenge Museveni perform badly. Ne bubwe n'abasinga.
Okay.
Kubanga people seeing
sigala chechi.
Nti why? Bwe batujja ko no bagenda kutuleetera ono.
Mwe balungi mweka.
Are you turning the country into Banyankole Cooperative Union?
Is that why tulaba changes mu cabinet ezakoleddwa?
Yes. Ekyokubiri ndakuleetera obutabo bungi wano. Nakugamba mu katabo kano nawandikako invisible force. Tekadagala luli invisible force eyamuyamba. The situation had changed drastically. Nakana katabo nakawandiika ddi. Naye bwe nali nkatandika wano nabagamba in 1983 following a failed coup in Kenya, President Daniel Arap Moi failed to address the prevailing situation and instead resorted to violence. The president failed to understand the real masterminders of the failed coup. Neither did he get to know the reasons behind the coup. Had he found out, he would have made political reforms. However, Moi became more dictatorial than before. He sacked senior army officers, including Air Force Commander Major General Joseph Kariuki Kikuyu, replaced the commander with Major General Muhammad Somali of Kenyan origin. Moi filled the Kenyan army with the Somalis, whom he believed lacked the appetite for political power. Kakati Fembiofuzi Tokugamba. When the president is facing a rebellion, you bring in to Baitaba. Whom he believed lacked the appetite. Tina Chetita Gonde, the neutral tribe. Politics to cheat a neutral tribe. Once you are faced with a rebellion, bring in the neutral tribe. Those who don't have the appetite of overthrowing.
Is Museveni facing a rebellion now? From where?
Aina rebellion ni mu family mwenyewe aina go ya neutralizes na muteka kanda habusarest na kakanako. He is looking for me. I'm not creating trouble for you. You are creating trouble for yourself, not me. He is moving here to there, to there, to there, to there. The last night, the other day, was watching him abusing somebody. You are conniving with the Mirundi to destroy me. They are looking for me. You go to Museveni and talk to him.
What president kuna yesize nya abachara?
Yes, why?
Tufanye prime minister. Uchanga tubawe kwa Uganda.
That's not important. Wali wa commander.
Atuja kutuka kwa.
Kandi chenkubuulira.
Sogatudde ku nsonga
Museveni is demonstrating there are three issues to political scientists like me. Museveni has collected all of the power he had lent to people. Abajeyambisiza obubi okuzimba obukuukulu because tulina kye tuyita mid-age crisis. Mid-age crisis eri mu sociology. How would people develop? Once you become 50 years, otandika okwambala waliwo asala ekimemeya temumumanyi. Waliwo asala ekimemeya alwana na bukadde. Obutono si buto, akalolo kenkana ne jjajja waako. Toyinzaga nti kuba akalolo ne jjajja waako obawula. Obutono si buto.
Akona konka hizi.
Yes, akalolo kenkana ne jjajja waako. Bwonna bwenkana. Kandi obutono si buto asala ekimemeya. Nayambalira empalo mu Abaganda baguyita mwoyo. You are fighting no farming enviiri. You are fighting to get a mid-age crisis.
Okay.
Mid-age crisis, you start fighting obukadde. Kakati it applies in politics. Once the president becomes old, wabeerawo abaagala okusikira obusika. kakati bw'oba musajja nga musiraamu wasaayo omuto obalage nti okyali yes kakati president one tetulina term limits kati is asserting himself kyova olaba nti bano abalina media yaabwe tewali muntu Museveni gwata humiliate nze is not only Kadaga ate nze nasanyuse nnyo Kadaga teyagenze Wolanya vetting bagikoledde ku Zoom tagenda kutula mu parliament kulisobole kumujoga agenda kutula ku Kingdom Omugonde yes naye ate kakati bo balowooza nti ate Kadaga was humiliated no Kadaga has retained nasanyuse Kadaga has retained her status why what about Namayanja who was a director of a treasury of NRM who has been put under Todong yes what about Gundi ono omukazi babadde bajoga oyo Diana abadde ajoga nnyo n'oyo omukazi achange kabeita be balina nti Museveni bamanyi kakati ono ye katikkiro waabwe bajoga
uzaitamale lwaki jonga mu vetting abakulu bana babiri vice president Jessica Alupo kyabadde kuyisa muka mu kisenge ne batosa ku kwestibwa nabanja babadde okusiko oyo Alupo yali mu mafia gang Alupo yayagala n'okutwala ettaka lyange nafuna ettaka nagende wa president nampabira your son has grabbed it I grabbed it nenditunda millions of dollars anone nje musole ddala omukazi oyo ngalina entwe ya pusi ali mu education nze ndi mubye ebisambi bye nti nzibye mu kyomo nga mugunsuuzi nibwe mba nabba kati nsi bulamu yakuba
Alupo wabano Alupo ava mu gurupu y'abano ba mafia Alupo ali mu gurupu y'abano abavubuka ntwe ya pusi atana kugambye nti nze meeting zaabwe nzimanyi bakuba Gundi gwe batamanyi bakuba Babalanda gwe batamanyi mbakube meeting zaabwe nzikube badduke era omusajja yagambye omusajja Amerika yagambye oyo omuvubuka atagala namugamba how can this man manage these sophisticated machines you are talking about namugamba nti why Museveni yabimuwa then you are talking to you are fighting a wrong address Gandi teri Gundi Museveni abimujjeko kubanga kakati oyo mukubira bwerere kakati nze nkubuulira nti one Museveni found out timugenda kweyambisa timukadde to build factions in government this is why I tell you the way Kadaga lost the point nabo bombi bali bakyamu yo bahumiliatinga nnyo omuntu ate nga bajja mukozesa if they had told me go and study naligenze singa president yansibula bulungi nti genda nyako bali bamwocha biki naligenze toyira kutwala 5 billion nonkanyuka ku jirikiti obwadivaiza jirikiti basula ko ombo sinza gendayo and I refuse to go there ane sigala nga mukolera twetwala ye sinza gendayo dokulinya 8 years kakati nkugamba nti ne Kadaga was trying to build a political power base omukulembeze kyatasobola kukkiriza
ngachali kuspeaker
tasobola kusharinga power na muntu yenna power must be here
inakuwa ku center
oyina okutegeera gyogijje nti omwezi teguyina light is a reflection of the sun you are need of the president whether you are general or a sergeant or a what you are under the nabagamba nti abasajja ba serious abatta bin Laden bagenda mu America ne batandika okudemandinga special treatment babaga no you are part of the series are part of the American forces you are assigned to do this gwolowooza nti yakwata ku koni wano teyaliga nti bamukoze nnyo but you are doing work whether you were speaker kyobula Museveni yagamba Olanya ti I had to come in to use my buyekera style nenkubira abantu since morning what was he telling you Olanya don't think that the people who are voting you are yours bangi tomere bango yadisa sebula
Museveni kyakoze pesa kyakoze yadiza buyinza bwe
yes
and whatever
Museveni has taken over parliament has taken over the prime minister's office has taken over total control over the army has taken over the Ministry of Internal Affairs has taken over ISO security eri tumwine n'amugyamu tumwine muhwezi uteke nti otafiire nga yimisa internal affairs nti president n'alagira akulo bakwata abasajja babiri ababba sente za leya akulo n'agaana otafiire ajja kuyisa mu dirisa akakanyuke kaali badde kadduka na budduzi
bw'ogamba nti no president yeddiza obuyinza bwe era abantu badde nga bugezi
balondaani
uliriza mu Muzeyi Tamale ogenda kigenda kunyisa nnyo kungamba nti this is democracy
democracy
anti
mugambye we don't have a coalition government. A coalition, you sit down with the parties in Israel, never could jako. Museveni has powers, was elected by the people. Buamaro Okube elected by the people, but never around about ages. To help him run the country, I in a mandate yachi. Yabantu. Kakati mandate yabantu. Museveni is a coach. Coach Cheyakoze, Coach Museveni Cheyakoze. Yalese abaana abato basambe n'alekamu n'abakulu toga nti nze mbadde namba musanvu nedda kocha akujeemu kati kyeyabakoledde kochi yaleese abaana abato n'ayagala na bano basigalemu
ne kocha n'ekintu kyakola ennaku anaanza okuba nti aleeta amagye mu bifo ebyenjawulo internal affairs muhozi yagenzeyo Katumba Malali eno kikyageza okuba nti alaga the government
nabagamba mu katabo kange nti Museveni yasigaza obubiriiti obwo fe Abaganda tukozesa nnyo obubiriiti bwe tuba tulina gwe twogera tuyinza okuga nti mirundi nkubuulire ewe oyinayo obubiriiti obwo omanyi kyekitegeeza nti mu baana bo bonna mulimu abagezi abo omuganda bwakugamba mirundi nkubuulire musajja munange nti muganda ewe oyinayo obubiriiti obwo bubiri ng'otegeera
nti mu baana bonna olina baana babeka
babiri abategeera kati tenabagamba mu katabo kange nti Museveni alina obubiriiti obwo abali committed amagye n'akamutabani we
kyeva atandise okugasembeza amagye takyanago yeesiga.
No, in many countries because soldiers have discipline and experience. Look what Kenya, the former commander wa Kenya General Kibwana bamutwala kulira mwalo gwe Mombasa. Ono Major General Ali abadde akulira police ye Posta Master General. They use them. Waliwo Lieutenant General omulala akulira Yisu because the military inexperience. After Second World War, most of the presidents who became president in the United States, the question was, where were you during the Second World War? Where were you during the Vietnam War? Yes, because the soldiers pay for their blood. Soldiers are highly disciplined. Ntigwe, nebokera kumacha. Noyogera mu bantu nga goli director wa side, noga director wa side wa amaje. Nti ayinza okugamba nti exhibit za Kawesi bazibbi nasigalawo n'engalo biyenga atudde ow'amagye noga nti ow'amagye bajja kumugamba nti kakati ebizibu bya Katumba Wamala babadde babbi babikyusirira ekifo
byasigaddewo ebiryawo. Ngaruze ku cabinet eno president yagironze nga atunulira busobozi oba alonze nga ayagala kwebaza abantu byamulonda
nabagamba
yatusana okuba nti nno Kasese kuba yafunayo kuno yagiwangula zokuba nti agamba nti mukubyetingewo ekifo ntegewo na Kasese yabere nga twala
nabagambye
kubadde kwebaza abantu kubebaza oba obusobozi bw'abantu kukola.
President ayina 5 years ahead. 5 years ahead can afford to disappoint anybody. Naye nze mmanyi tekati oyo Alaso Abateso Mukula ye spokesperson wakabinja kabafere Mukula yavaako esoloti nga azze kutula mu meeting ey'ababbi kakati baba amutegeera batya baali abaagala bingi enzirugavu ne bamulinda ku kisaawe yali wakujjira mu nnyonyi teyajjira mu nnyonyi yajjira mu mmotoka bwatuuka emukono abambadde galubindi enzirugavu ne bajja nga bamulondola. Mukula yayingira mu ofiisi ye ku Diamond Dress n'afulumira ebweru n'adduka zagenda okwera omwenda nga zeeyo esoloti. Kakati this blackmail of Mukula nti nalwana mwalo boys every time you invoke Shallow boys a liberator eweddewo
bino nalwana simanyani
echeru abadde ayina president's ambitions I can tell you.
Museche
singono teyajja echeru yali agenda okujja was using his influence in the Prime Minister's office. Kakati eyo teso ewedde the liberation ababadde balowooza ba Amuru Boys ba Gundi kakati bayina deputy speaker bayina Gundi bayina vice president Jessica bayina Angina bayina Irweru
bayina jeje si waabwe
ne jeje
ondo
kakati Mukula has been effectively neutralized taiza kuletayo fujo.
Okay.
Yes, this is a new breed now in those areas. Kakati when you go to northern Uganda, yes, bo ngoga nti neutral. Chief Justice is deputy governor, ani
deputy
IGP. Yes, these are new arrivals. Tewali baby agala tata wafe. Abakulu bebagala tata wafe. Afe tugabana ebintu bano babebi abakava mu northern Uganda tebagala taata waabwe tebagala ligimu ekola these are new arrivals. Why do I support Museveni? I support Museveni because I have based my survival on him.
Niwe yogera ekyo kutudano mu Buganda yakola obubi
mwamuwa
naye ate bali kumbi mwabi malamba
mu bimwali mubanja Museveni byebibala byaba mutwe kati instead of talking mayega sobwa kabaka
bibala byabani
ebibala bya FDC bya Bobi Wine anti Bobi Wine yawamba obwa kabaka bwa Buganda
atya kati
Bobi Wine yakuba Mengo nafuuka the de facto Katikkiro of Buganda is Bobi Wine.
No.
Ani ayina support ani ayina support y'Abaganda.
Katikkiro wa Buganda
anti Buganda support is reflected where
political
who controls Buganda go awuliddeko nga Mayiga ayitoba Makubuya owekitiibwa Makubuya ababaka ba Buganda muyite ku lulu bwa Baganda ababaka ba Buganda babayite
abantu mu Buganda no
tutoko tumayega itoko to Bobi Wine
kusonga zili political sources za Buganda.
Have you heard about Mayiga yewe yagenda wa president yejero 0 nkadde
Peter Mayiga
bya Buganda bya bwayo
Peter Mayiga Katikkiro wa Buganda isatu mijatu kanje
kakati goli musajja
Bobi Wine is a politician
goli musajja musiramu oyizo kusanga makanga haji si haji nga hajati ya hajati. I want to tell you, if we want to solve Buganda's problems especially the culture, where do you go? To Mengo Magere
ngina wa Katikkiro
ainachi Katikkiro ainachi
ikabaka wewe
for the first time
nanyini damu
for the first time in Uganda's history Mengo has been swept aside ebyaffe birimu ani yasaba obulubwa nopo ku federal. Tell me ani yogera ku federal mu Buganda ekitegeeza power has shifted from Mengo to Magere. Yes,
ekyo kiwakanya sijja kikkiriza
kakati ebibala bya Bobi Wine n'okwogera ne gavumenti byebyo
byokutaba edi mutwe
si kya Museveni kuwa kabaka mmotoka si kya Museveni kuddira Buganda kujiddiza byayo Mayiga yabimalayo najjayo n'emmotoka enkadde Rolls Royce yali esigaddeyo ne bagimuwa mu politics yayingiramu. For the first time Mengo did not take a side in opposition politics. They neither supported Museveni nor supported Bobi Wine. Bali bamwagalako for commercial interests. Kakati Bobi Wine is the de facto leader of Uganda.
Ngatuva ku cabinet mzee Tamali wali wano kumpeoza STV no mentioning abantu babiri singa bana da mu cabinet eno Museveni ngina kubo muvaako mbadde nsaba mbadde nsaba statement eyo mbadde nsaba mulangire mu watu
ate nakyo kituufu
tumwebaze ne Matiya Kasaidi
tumwebaza ayinza okuba
mu lwatu ngese kulaba
tumwebaza ayinza okuba the shortest serving minister
what shortest day
manyayi no
but
anti nkubuulidde nakugamba is not normal for a minister to serve on appointment committee. I know how tumwebaze went and humiliated and nkubuulidde
wamujerega wanene
tiwanda talina magezi
wamujerega uyaze ku list era ku cabinet kwali
kyakugambye kiri kimu anaawangalako
azze
omanyi nti omanyi CICC benoonya wana abantu 115 Museveni neyogera if Museveni appoints a minister who has been indicted by ICC, remember himself, Baba Garababa Balaga Hegi, bayiye jule yonna ne bayiwa balooya bonna ne babagamba kakati ati tubaagala Hague. They are going to remain fugitives here. Kakati, how can you leave a minister who has been indicted in your cabinet? What I said was proper. But I know Museveni has the pressures too. Kasaija was embarrassed. How Sigala Sania Timba?
How Sigalo Yari? How Sigalo Yari?
How Sigalo Yakutechi Yukonase Ngomkazu Wakatu de Wa Kasaija, oh yeah. Nesa Lembuzia, Nesa Zembuzi Jabaita Bahati, Nesa Lembuzi Jabaita Kasaija, Katika Saija. If what says on Naza Fachi, at the end of Saja, we have Ganya Yamu Womulimu. Let him ever say a good Abuzi.
Tamale, President Rulaganti Naganakuma Rani Senguzi, Kuna taking the away again to Kufa. Not to be on the Minister of Finance, I know you for Olinga Yona, where Ganti Nguzimu, and she is adding with us. Let me tell you, Karamunaga is Abenesu, 7 years a year. Jawan in Guzagana, Bahati, Overcoat, way Yabadaza Nobody. I don't say Bahati Yabadaza Nobody. Bahati nga namukubi obutambi abadde abeera n'abantu abavubuka ababafere Bahati abadde abeera na Kasaija baamufiisa mu bino ebyekifere abadde taliimu Kasaija baamufiisa ye baamufiisa ye Kasaija baamufiisa Kasaija baamufiisa abadde minister de facto minister abadde Bahati kasita obukooti bwe babujeemu yazanya bino yazanya sebo minister ya in fact abantu benasinze okuliberating obamanyi ministers are ringing me. Iran's a secular rules. Let me tell you, secular rules. I spent 4 days in the Nabanja's constituency. I spent 4 days there. Okay.
4 days.
Nga
anti-Gabatia. Ababayayi bajjanga ne baddira abantu ne babagana okwogera. I spent 4 days in the Nabanja's constituency. She also called me when she was commissioning the hospital. Running in a wound. I invested several. Kakati on a deputy speaker. A wanga in a deputy son.
Deputy speaker.
Go back to which man? And I know him to have we had putting a family F. Muvana Bank. Oh, you. Hey. Kakati Kadaga, a waffle of Mita Senka Wavana.
Oli mukintu wakati
anti nkubuulira nti nze esempijja balwamira mabaali bamukubi nga beeyambisa kabusenga nti yasalusalinze ente z'amawako who stood with him hatta nkubira na simu
anasobola bamutaddeawo
Museveni akulaga nti ye Ministry of Defense, Ministry of Finance, Ministry eya Presidency zize ne Kampala zivuga by delegation. Toyina kyamaanyi kyokolawo nabaga nti gavumenti ya Museveni eringa emmotoka mwe bayigira okuvuga emmotoka pedos ani azina
akuyigiriza
oyinza omutomeza
katugende nnyo kulondolwa amazzi